to our EdCom Chair, Honorable Joanne V. Abrego, to our acting school in charge, acting Sir Ben A. Igay, to our supervisor, Ma'am Cherelle Charga, to all the teachers who are gathered here, good morning. It is our ladies in attendance. I want you to perform. So, when I call your name, you will be coming here. Of course, you will perform. In a scientific way. Different tune, right? The lyrics here that you will be singing or doing in action is teaching is love and learning is life. Again, teaching is love, learning is life. Yes. Okay. So are you ready?
Ready?
Yes.
Ready.
Let us start. Learning is life.
Teaching is love, learning is life.
Yes. So we will start with our kindergarten teacher. Interpret. Yes.
So how will you interpret?
You will show your talent.
Sing.
You will be
Learning is life.
like a singer, dancer, pwede ka mag-interpret. Yeah.
Learning is life.
Learning is life. Learning is life.
Makas! Okay, makas!
Sige, makas.
Madali maubos.
Pinabili ka ng upos.
Open man ito.
Open it.
Lyrics.
Basta abang ka man.
Pwede ka naman kabalik.
Okay, she is lovely.
Ito yung mata. Sige na.
Ako pa ito niya masaya.
Go.
Teaching is love and learning is life.
Wow.
Wow.
Let's proceed to our grade 1 teacher, Ma'am Marvin K. Igay. Big. Big pala. Next, teaching is love, teaching is love, learning is life. Learning is Marvin, let's proceed to our great teacher, Ma'am Lizelle.
Kantaran.
Pagaling na sa'yo. Pagaling na sa'yo.
Bahala ka naman.
Ano lang?
Sige na, kailangan atong time of checking of attendance and some reporting. 10:30 na. You only have 1 hour to report. Individual performance, hindi ka. Yung mag-rating ako. Sampling nila. Gawin ang pay.
Teaching is love.
Hoy, inang na may tuno. Sige. Basta na.
Okay, thank you so much, Ma'am, for being creative. Okay, so let's proceed to our grade 3 teacher, Ma'am Danica Gia. Banana.
Teaching is love, learning is life.
sing again. Let's proceed to our grade 4 teacher, Ma'am Churel Villarga. Round of applause, please.
Mahubya, may mga
Ano yun? Kaparaman na nakikibuan.
again, mga higher grades.
I need your cooperation. You have to.
Maaral mga wizard.
Because teaching is L-O-V-E. Everybody? L-O-V-E. Learning is life. L-I-F-E. Everybody? L-I-F-E.
Please spelling bee is so much fun. You are really a teacher.
Nakalahon na.
Thank you so much to our grade 6 teacher. Ma'am
Oh, grade
Churel
5 pa.
Yeah. Ang Wait, ako mong dari ko mong
Kami na.
1, 2, 3, go. Teaching, teaching.
Pay na ka, dali ka ba ka?
Sudah ako din. Wow. You are really a dancer, Ma'am Villarga. Thank you so much. Let's proceed to our ALS implementer, sir.
Palagi ate.
Ready na ka mo?
Yes.
Okay. Teaching is love, and learning is life. Teaching is love, learning is love. Thank you.
You are a concert king. Thank you so much, sir. Let's proceed to our head co-chair, Honorable Joan Diablo. Round of applause, please.
Oy, kung na-check ka na din namin circle.
Okay.
Kaya wala namin kung namin kung hindi.
Oo.
Teaching is love, so ikaw tututuan ka mamahal. Learning is night.
Wow. Thank you so much for participating. Honorable Joan Diablo. Of course, it's my turn. To